So here we need to find the value of x. Let's begin with 1. So in 1 we have log of x with the base of square root of 8, and this is equals to 10 divided by 3. We'll use the definition of logarithm. So that means if we have log of a with the base of b, this is equals to c, then this would mean that we have a equals to b raised to the power of c. This will give us x equals to square root of 8 whole raised to the power of 10 divided by 3. So this is the value of x, but we can further simplify this. So square root of 8 can be also written as 8 raised to the power of 1/2. So we have 8 raised to the power of 1/2 multiplied to 10 raised to the power of 3. And 8 is 2 cubes, so that means we have 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 whole raised to the power of 10 over 3. Now the exponents will simply get multiplied as per the law of indices. So we have x raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied to 10 over 3. So 3 and 3 cancels out. 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 raised to the power of 5. So this is the value of x, which is 32. Right. Now let's do number 2. So in number 2, we have log of x with a base of square root of 8. So that's equals to cube root of 3. Right. So that means by definition, x will be equals to square root of 8 whole raised to the power of cube root of 3. So this will be equals to, so square root of 8 can be also represented as 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2. We have already done this in this particular step. So we have 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 whole raised to the power of cube root of 3, which is 3 raised to the power of 1/3. Right. So that means we can multiply the exponents to get 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied to 3 raised to the power of 1/3. So this will give us 2 raised to the power of, so we can combine these 3. So this will become 4 over 3 divided by 2. So this is the value of x.